Once we've assessed there's a brain issue, a neuropsychiatric issue, whether it's going to be neurological cognitive issues like brain fogs, more severe cognitive issues, more like dementia, tremors or neurological, psychiatric, anxiety, depression, OCD, and trying to get the specifics, it's the first thing I'm going to go for quick fixes, which is diet. Very few people I meet in this condition that I can't, find some very common, well-known causes of inflammation. Too much sugar. I've had doctors ask me, do fruits count as carbs? Which is like, yeah. Yeah, once it hits your saliva, it's all the same. So it's our medical education is not terrific, is somehow many people, when people say I eat healthy, it's like I'll smile and say, that's great. You'd rather eat healthy than not healthy. Can you tell me what you mean? Because everyone's idea of healthy is not the anti-inflammatory diet. So I can really I'm always looking to get people basically on a low carb, autoimmune paleo diet, which means quickly getting the carbs below 50 grams, getting people off gluten and dairy, and then just dropping real junk food. And that actually makes a difference. And you say, well, that's not much. Well, it's actually for some people still an enormous jump because you have to go over the healthy things they're eating that are causing major problems. So diet is like, without a doubt, it's the food, it's the medicine we eat every day. It starts to sound really boring, but when you're battling inflammation, the first thing you do is, yes, we all know about COVID indulgences and stuff like that. But after a while, you realize that excuse is running out and that you're going to have to learn to at least eat keto brownies, okay? And still drop the gluten and look, inflammation's inflammation, and food and poor choices in food and not eating organic just cumulatively keep increasing and can quickly make changes. That's why I tell people it's worth doing it. It's not just to lose weight, it's to feel better in your brain. So working on a diet that I would call basically a paleo autoimmune, and low carb and taking off obvious offenders. And then the next thing would just be fish oil. Love fish oil, really works. And in the beginning, there's probably nothing better because most people are very deficient in the anti-inflammatory oils.